Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to sign up for MeetMe. MeetMe is an online dating site that allows members to meet new people and play games to get to know each other while creating a relationship and dating. MeetMe is a free application available for any mobile devices such as iOS or Android. In order to sign up for MeetMe, first, make sure you've downloaded the application on your device. Once you have the app, tap it open. The very first interface of MeetMe will look like this. In order to sign up for MeetMe, go and tap on Anyone Can Join Free button and you'll open up the sign up page for MeetMe. Start by entering your name in the first text field. Head over to the next field and type in an email address that you'd like to use for your MeetMe account. Now, create a password for your account. You can double check your password by tapping on the eye icon in the right corner and head over to the new field and select your date of birth information from the drop down. After you're done, select OK. Now, select your gender on the next. Into the location text field, select your country and tap on OK. Now, finally tap on Sign Up for Free. Wait for a few seconds. Now, you'll need to go ahead and add your first photo for your MeetMe profile. Tap Add Photo and select a photo from either your Facebook, your camera roll, or even take a picture from your camera. Once you're done selecting your picture, tap Continue and select who would you want to meet on MeetMe. Now tap on Continue to move on. And with this, you have successfully signed up and built your profile on MeetMe. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.